Hello everyone, James is here. Welcome again to Easy English Talks podcast. If you want to watch this video faster or slower, you can adjust the playback speed.
Hi everyone, I'm Emma, and today we're talking about something really common in English, how to use like with gerunds or infinitives.
Yes, this topic is super useful. We often talk about what we like and don't like, right? For example, I like playing tennis.
And I like reading books. That's a good example. So in English, after the verb like, we can use either a gerund or an infinitive.
Right. Let's explain that slowly. A gerund is the ing form of a verb. For example, walking, eating, studying, going, playing.
Exactly. And the infinitive is to plus the verb, like to walk, to eat, to study, to go, to play.
So we can say, I like playing tennis, or I like to play tennis. Both are correct.
Yes, that's right. Sometimes people ask, is there a difference between them? Well, not really in meaning. Both are okay.
But like plus gerund is a little more common in everyday English.
That's true. For example, I like reading books. But you can also say, I like to read books. They mean the same thing.
Let's give our listeners a few more examples. He likes to visit museums.
Or, we like going to the mountains. That's a good one.
Yes. So remember, after like, you can use to plus verb, the infinitive, or verb plus ing, the gerund.
Great. Now, what about the negative form? How do we say that we don't like something?
That's easy. Just say I don't like or I dislike. For example, I don't like waking up early.
Oh, yes, me too. I don't like waking up early at all.
Laughs.
Or you can say, they don't like studying maths.
And we dislike seeing horror films.
Ooh, horror films. I dislike them too. I always hide behind a pillow.
Laughs. Me too. So, let's summarize. Positive, I like playing football. Negative, I don't like playing football. Question, do you like playing football?
Perfect. Now let's talk more about questions.
Sure. When we ask a question, we use do or does. For example, do you like watching movies?
Or, does he like speaking English?
Right, so do is for I, you, we, they, and does is for he, she, it.
Let's try a few together. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I do. Do you like cooking?
Not really. I like eating more than cooking.
Laughs. Me too sometimes. What about, does she like dancing?
Yes, she does. She loves dancing at parties.
Okay, here's another. Do they like studying English?
Of course! They love learning English with our podcast.
Oh, that's sweet. So, listeners, remember, after like, we can use either to plus verb or verb plus ing.
Let's give a few pairs for practice. You can repeat after us.
I like to swim. I like swimming.
She likes to read. She likes reading.
We like to travel. We like traveling.
He likes to cook. He likes cooking.
And you can also use it for things you don't like.
For example, I don't like getting up early.
We don't like to wait in long lines.
They don't like studying maths.
That's great. And remember, dislike is a more formal word. You can say, I dislike getting up late, but in everyday conversation, people usually say, I don't like.
Yes, dislike sounds more serious, like, I dislike lies.
Oh, yes, that's a good one. I dislike lies sounds stronger than I don't like lies.
Exactly. Now let's do a small quiz for our listeners.
Great idea. Okay, I'll say a sentence and you choose the correct form, gerund or infinitive.
Perfect.
Okay, number 1, I like blank to play playing football.
Both are correct. You can say, I like to play football, or I like playing football.
Good. Number 2, he doesn't like blank to eat eating vegetables.
Both are okay too, but he doesn't like eating vegetables is more common.
Nice. Number 3, do you like blank to watching TV shows?
Both are fine. Again, you can say, do you like to watch TV shows? Or do you like watching TV shows?
Perfect. So easy, right?
Yes. Once you know both forms are possible, it's much easier to speak naturally.
And one last thing. Some verbs in English only use ing and some only use to plus verb. But like is special. You can use both.
That's true. So next time you talk about your hobbies, you can say, I like swimming or I like to swim. Both sound great.
Excellent. I think our listeners will find this really useful.
I hope so. Maybe they can write in the comments what they like doing.
Oh yes, tell us, what do you like doing in your free time?
Do you like playing sports? Do you like cooking or reading? We want to know.
And if you don't like something, that's fine too. Tell us, I don't like or I dislike.
Great. That's all for today.
Don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friends. Bye, and see you next time. Bye-bye.